Tutorial how to change a Xenon light bulb in Skoda Octavia Model 3, 2013 and up. These are the lights that I'm talking about, these front big bulbs. In my case the right one was bad, so I got a warning light on my dashboard which said check front right dip beam, which turned out to be this headlight. First you will need to locate the cover and twist it counterclockwise to get at the light bulb. It will snap right off. Then stick your hand to the hole and grab hold of the light bulb box and twist it counterclockwise. You'll hear a snap. Then gently pull it out of the hole, making sure not to touch or not to destroy the light bulb itself. Do not touch the light bulb with your fingers, just hold it by the box. Then you will see a cord attached to it, wiggle it off, and then you have your light bulb free. On the light bulb itself, check on the back, check the model. For me it was Philips Vision Xenon D3S. They run about $150 or about €100, so they're quite expensive, so it is not a cheap endeavor. Once you get a new one, plug the cord back in, just snap it on, and you're ready to put it into place. Stick it gently back into the compartment. This time around twist it clockwise, and it will snap in. Once it's snapped in, just get your cover, snap it back on clockwise, and that's it. You should have everything ready to go. Now when your new light bulb is in, just turn on the car, turn on the lights and see if it works. Good luck!